The reason why they're not taking you serious is because you're not taking yourself serious. That's simple. The moment you stop playing with yourself, the moment you start taking yourself serious, they have no choice but to take you serious. Because they're probably looking at you like, man, this man doesn't know what he wants. He doesn't know what he's doing in his life. Why would I take him serious? But let's just say you got your shit together. You work on yourself daily. You don't take none of that bullshit. You just being yourself, working on yourself. They have no choice but to put you first. And for the women that really want you, once you start getting them, bro, they're gonna let you know that they wanna fuck with you, bro. But for the women that don't really want you, don't even indulge in the game, bro. If she making it hard for you to link her, bro, she gotta go. If she making it hard for you to link her, she has to go. And that's not debatable. Can't debate that, bro. She just gotta go, bro. You need your life to be easy because building yourself, working on yourself is not easy, bro. So we want nothing else hard. Yes, building ourselves, working on ourselves is already hard enough. So the worst thing you want is a woman that will say, oh, I need a man that can handle me. Get the hell out of here, bro. We ain't trying to handle shit. We want a woman that's super feminine. When they come around you, they just in that feminine nature, they're soft. They might be a little feisty, but they're not really trying to challenge you, bro. They're not really trying to like talk like a nigga and trying to be ha ha ha, bro. It's a turn off, especially for me, bro. Hey, listen, I don't judge. If you like your girl should be aggressive and shit like that, I don't judge, bro. But most men, or I would say 99.9% of niggas, low key or high key, just want a woman that's like feminine, bro. Because when you masculine, you can only attract feminine. If I'm lying, bro, let me know down in the comment, bro. If you masculine as a man, it makes sense you attract some that's opposite, which is the feminine. The feminine is what you want in a woman. And for you to get that, bro, you have to be masculine yourself. Listen, I'll take accountability, first of all. A lot of us men are losers. A lot of us, bro, we don't take our life serious. We wait for the right time to start things. We don't really want to do shit. A lot of us not really ambitious. So it makes sense why some women just want to keep fucking with the same guy, bro. All of them want to fuck the same nigga, bro. It makes sense, bro. If us men, if you and I woke up tomorrow and decide to be something better with our life, they have no choice to submit, bro. So don't think the women are the problem. I never say women are the problem, bro. We are the problem. We niggas are the problem. We are the problem, bro. The moment you start taking yourself serious, bro, they have no choice to take you serious, bro. That's why as a man, you have to do what a man needs to do, bro. Work on yourself. Go to the gym, bro. When I say go to the gym, I'm not talking about go to the gym to be buff, bro. I'm not buff, but you can see, like, Nick, bro, get yourself in shape. Because a strong body, a strong mind, bro. Get yourself in a good physique, bro. It's going to boost your confidence, bro. That's the only reason why I be telling niggas to go to the gym. And a lot of niggas don't want to work out. I be surprised, bro. I had a friend, I'm not even going to call no name, bro. This nigga just don't like to work out. And I just be looking at him weird, bro. I'm not going to force you, but like, if I'm working out, if you don't work out, we not matching, bro. Because all I'm trying to do is work out. Let's go work out. Let's go to the gym. Let's go to the calisthenic park. Sometimes I'll be like, bro, we don't have to go to the gym. Let's just go to the calisthenic park. Let's bang some pull-ups, some 50 dips. Nigga be like, nah, bro, I was working. Nigga, I be off 10 hours work and still go and get my work in, bro. But that shows you a lot about how a lot of men are. Just because they already got certain things, they are comfortable. That's the word. Comfort is a killer zone. Just because you got it right now doesn't mean you will have it tomorrow. Just because you got it right now doesn't mean you have to be complacent. Because when you got it right now, you think you already got it and you don't need to do nothing else. And man, listen, I had it before and I lost it all. When I talk about I had it before, I had money, nigga. Like a good money that nigga would be like, shit, I can start somewhere. Nigga, I lost it all. God really showed me. You want to be comfortable? This is what happened. You lose it. That's facts, bro. I seen money, bro. At 19 years old, I seen money. Maybe for a lot of y'all, 10 bands is not really a lot of money for y'all, bro. But I feel like for 10 bands, you can really start something with your life, bro. That's what I mean by money. That's the most I ever owned, bro. 10 bands. And that's when I was 19 or 20, bro. And I really worked on that shit, bro. I really did. But one thing I learned from that is I became really comfortable and I lost it all. But it showed me, or it made me who I am today, bro. So if you're a man, bro, you have to work. You have to go to the gym. You have to take care of yourself. You have to do what man's needs to be doing to be man's, bro. You just have to. That's why you are a man, bro. That's why you are a man, bro. I don't understand how niggas just want to be comfortable and not work out. Niggas got fucking chicken arms. Nigga arm look like twice of my arm, nigga. But you never want to go to the gym with me. Whenever I mention going to the gym, is always a problem. I'm not throwing shots, but if you feel offended, bro, you doing something wrong, my nigga. I'm not saying get buff like Ronnie Coleman or how you call it, or Arnold Schwarzenegger, bro. You don't have to be buff, bro. Just get your ass in the gym and work on your body, bro. And if you're already a pretty boy or a pretty nigga, you don't think you need all of that, bro. Hey, good for you. Maybe what's working doesn't need to be changed. You get what I'm saying? But guess what? When a ripped nigga walk by, bro, I bet your bitch is looking. Bro, listen, it just in their nature to look. I'm not saying do it for the woman. I'm saying do it for yourself. If you don't want to do it for yourself, that's okay. But on this channel, I'm always going to be preaching about why going to the gym is going to save your life. Being physical fit, having a physical physique that you proud of as a man, bro, is a huge accomplishment, bro. I know we went from like talking about a genuine burning desire, bro, to this, but this what makes a woman really desire you, bro. Because when she's thinking about the two guys that she's talking to, let's say the guy number one, right? He got all the money, he got all the cars, but his physique is not there. He's like a little lazy and stuff like that, right? And you got number two, the physique, bro. Have you ever took a shirt off with your shorty and she just bit her lips, or she just gave you that look? If you never experienced that, then I don't know what you say, bro. Try to get a little hump into you. You're gonna see how shorty's gonna start looking at you, bro. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. But that's the video of the day, bro. Genuine, truly desire of a woman, if she really wants you, bro, she gonna make it really easy for you, bro. And when she don't really want you, she gonna make it fucking hell for you to get access to her, bro. That's the end of the video, my guys. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment. Did I yap too much? And if you're new to the channel, man, welcome.